Hey, what's up guys? My name is Matt Zimmerman. I'm the CEO of Bscode, and today I'm going to give you a demonstration of our courseware technology using digital twins. And this is really cool because the same digital twins we demonstrated for sustainment also support training. The first thing you see when logging into our Courseware Viewer is a list of the courses and their lessons. And selecting a lesson, you can start from the beginning, start from a specific checkpoint, or jump to where you left off. For this demo, we'll start from the beginning. Right now it's going to load us into the system viewer, and from training purposes we'll use this to familiarize students with how different systems are interconnected and what the major components are. We'll use the avatar viewer to actually put them on the deck plate and have them walk around and interact with these components, and it can get as complex as actually operating the different panels or having to maintain and replace parts. Now that the viewer is loaded, let's go over a few different components. In the top left-hand corner, we have the checkpoint or objective, and in the bottom right-hand corner, we have acronyms, info history, and checkpoints, all tools that we'll go over during this demonstration. In the bottom left-hand corner, we have information that we're presenting to the student. And as we progress through this information, we're able to jump to different parts of the 3D model or to different pieces of equipment. Now we're going to move into the avatar environment, which is cool because we use the system viewer to be able to teach students about system alignments and major components, and then use the first-person perspective to be able to locate those pieces of equipment and operate them via control panels and actually maintain them following procedures and replacing parts. Now that we're back in the avatar mode, we're going to align the system to react to the high temperature alarm. But first, let's go over a few of the tools. The first tool presents a list of the acronyms found within the lesson. History lists all of the content presented to the student within the lesson. And checkpoints allows the student to jump to different milestones within the lesson. At the bottom of my screen, I have a compass indicating the direction of my objective, and I'm giving a path that I can follow to the location of the equipment. As I move through the spaces, the path automatically adjusts to the best possible path. Upon entering the space, the red valve is the component we're looking for, and we're going to turn it to the closed position. And in the next step, we'll look down and shut off the pump. Upon successfully completing the alignment, we'll jump into the assessment. Each one of these questions can be true or false or multiple choice. And upon submitting my answers, they're automatically graded, and based on the criteria of the lesson, it requires remediation, and I must restart the course. Next, we're going to demonstrate our Courseware Editor, where instructors can create and modify training content. And this is cool because you can build and update lessons yourself without a team of software engineers. Each course is organized into checkpoints and cards, and each card presents information or objectives to the student. Our demo is organized into several checkpoints. In the first one, we start the student in the system viewer, load in several 3D systems, zoom to a component, and present information in an HTML format. To demonstrate how easily we can create and remove content, we'll add an information card to the alignment process. Lastly, instructors can create pools of questions that drive pop quizzes and assessments. Our lesson already has 2 pools. We'll add a new question. Add some answers. And choose the correct one. And then jumping back to the card layout, we can add our question to the assessment. Using Beast Code's training software, you can replace legacy paradigms with cloud-based interactive content. And our tools allow your workforce to access digital twins and training from anywhere in the world. Our ecosystem of web-enabled digital twins not only trains your team, but also supports their day-to-day jobs.